We live in a marketing world of hype and impulsiveness to buy what is cool, but is cool worth $15,000 to $20,000 for an exhaust that is the size of a Can-Am X3 UTV exhaust and comes from China? Don't be fooled by YouTube characters and costumes and mustaches. Maybe if this exhaust was a custom system from the legends at Brilliant of Japan or the German supercar exhaust manufacturer Capristo, I could understand the price. But I'll leave that comment right here, because today we are going to show you one of the best exhaust systems available for the Lamborghini Revuelto, and for all supercars for that matter, that is not from China.
Oh no.
So does anyone have 600K laying around? Anyone? Anyone? Well, if you do, then you probably bought a Lamborghini Revuelto. If you didn't and your bingo card wasn't punched with lucky numbers, we're about to learn you about one of the crazy mods that will really take this supercar to the next level. Some facts for you. The Revuelto is the successor to the Lamborghini Aventador. And if you didn't catch on to all the naming Lamborghini does related to bulls, this too is after a famous Spanish fighting bull that gored up matadors in Barcelona during the 1800s. But we're not here for a history lesson. We are here to get our ears deafened by the sound of the Lamborghini supercar. The Revuelto has a 6.5 liter V12 engine that makes 814 horsepower. It also has 3 magnet motors that combine add 187 horsepower additionally. I'm no botanist or anything, but that's 1,000 horsepowers. So check this out. Even though the sound of a stock V12 Lamborghini is still the most insane thing you will ever hear, there is this race to see who can make the coolest, loudest exhaust for these supercars. It's extremely uncommon to come across an enthusiast owner of an Aventador, a Huracan, or even a Gallardo with a stock exhaust system. Modding these machines is as common as throwing on a powered by Honda sticker on your bro's Civic Si in the early 2000s. But with this complete redesigned supercar and its trademark look scissor doors that go up and down, exposed engine bay like a Bugatti Veyron, and the price tag that just says, "I fart $1,000 bills." Would you put any exhaust on your Revuelto? Quicksilver Exhaust is one of the original aftermarket exhaust manufacturers founded in London, UK in 1973. Much like their trademark Sound Architect exhaust systems they make, they are truly sound architects themselves for what they design and produce. Creating some of the highest quality exhaust components for modern sports cars and heritage cars is what they specialize in. If it's an exhaust for your Ferrari 275 or your Aston Martin DB5 so you can be louder than James Bond ever was, they have you covered. But when it comes to modern sports cars, they have every enthusiast, influencer, petrolhead, and driver covered. With popular systems for cars such as the Audi R8, BMW M platforms, all the modern Ferraris, a Ford GT, to the new Land Rover vehicles, McLaren supercars, Porsches, Mercedes, and even your mom's Mini Cooper, they've got an exhaust system for you. Their line of Lamborghini exhaust is no different. Their heritage range covers rarities like the Jalpa, the LM002, a Countach, and even a Diablo. They've been very active producing some of the most high quality exhaust systems for modern Lamborghinis, including the Murcielago, Huracan, Aventador, and of course, the Urus. The latest creation from Quicksilver is their Revuelto supersonic exhaust system. Designing this exhaust requires a lot more attention than the days of the Gallardo. The sensors on these cars are extremely sensitive, causing check engine lights if you remove certain parts or give it too much airflow. Yes, anyone can make additional pipes and parts to delete things, but if your Revuelto is in limp mode, then it's pretty much Velveeta cheese in a box. The Quicksilver muffler replacement was designed to get rid of that massively chunky OEM muffler. Saving weight also comes with performance from the straight pipe rear muffler. The 304 stainless steel handcrafted muffler now provides a crisp symphony from the V12 engine. But what really separates it is the goldish heat cladding that wraps the entire rear muffler. Why heat cladding? Go ahead and Google Lamborghini engine fire. These vehicles produce some crazy amount of heat, and the guys that are just saying, please put this catless muffler exhaust on your car and don't worry, they're playing with your emotions. Insulating the stainless steel exhaust system is the ultimate way to reduce external temperatures. The material can withstand temps of up to 1200 degrees Celsius and reduce surface temps by 80%. So worrying about melting parts or catching your $600,000 supercar on fire shouldn't even cross your mind. Because of its design, there is no chance of getting a cell. You don't need to flash it just to run an exhaust, and you have the comfort of not worrying about voiding your warranty. This exhaust is a bolt-on, emissions, carb-friendly exhaust that is designed and made in the UK. Guys, don't sleep on Quicksilver exhaust. I personally had one on my Porsche 997.2 GT3 RS, and we even used one of their exhausts on our 2017 Acura NSX project car. The quality and sound you get from Quicksilver's exhaust system is insane. If you are not a Revuelto owner, don't worry, because between their heritage collection and the assortment of modern sports car exhausts, there is a Quicksilver exhaust in your future. Love it, hate it, tell me I'm wrong. Drop a comment so I know what you guys think about this Lamborghini Revuelto exhaust video. All right guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you at the next one. Wow!